Alright, we are here at the Preston household. You can see right here. Let me just get a quick overview before you pull those up. You can see this is where we're repairing. These are generally, you know, there's a little bit of weathering on it, but you know, the two above,
Hail damage too, you know, like
yeah,
hail damage right there.
So yeah, we'll get that started. I'll move over here. It's a standard effort. I mean, in fact, he's being pretty delicate. We gotta pull these nails out.
This one broke right here.
I'm just trying to lift it.
That one.
Yeah. It's not even lifting it very far. It's well below 45 degrees.
That damage right there as well.
Yeah.
That one as well right here.
Yeah, it's getting worse from before.
Yep. Oh, there's
Another one.
somewhere over here.
Yeah, right there on top. Under that.
This one ripped as well right there.
So far, just pulling it out. You get a tear right here. It's brittle right here. And this is just being delicate. He's not even going to count on it. Is that lined up?
A little bit.
There's a, what is this, like a 1/4 inch?
Yeah.
So dimensionally, it's gonna, I mean, these should be lining up. Like right here, you can see this is flush, flush. And we got separation right here. So dimensionally, might have an issue.
This one ripped as well right here. So I'm lifting it.
Just holding it up. Yeah, 'cause it's gotta come up. Oh, yeah.
And this one came off.
Came unsealed. Above it now too.
This one came off as well.
Yeah.
Bend this one more. This one came unsealed as well.
Unsealed, and you can see he's. So if you lift that up, lift this up, you can see lift this up how much you need to have it to have clearance. So I mean, yeah, you can see how slight it is with the to get it in the nailing space. You've got to pull it up at least that much, and he's not even pushing it farther.
One came loose again. The other one.
Yeah. So we got above it, we got 1, 2, and 3 appliques that are. And that one, does this have to be?
Yeah.
And then yeah.
This one came off.
Yeah. So appliques unsealed. I'm getting tears here, and yeah, and we have this. We got. Let's see that. So right here, I mean, it may not seem like much, but it's gotta butt up against it, otherwise that can be a leak hazard. So this is repair attempt on Willis. There we go. And look also for, you can see color-wise, it's not a match. So if we do multiple of that, it's going to be super visible across. This is original